been too bad. A few showers, but nothing compared to that hail we saw. It disrupted the sport, didn't it? Yeah. And some other people have been sending in some pictures. So this was the upport in that. And that today, that was probably you, was it? It would have been very damp. Today, yes, a few showers around. Roche was getting a bit damp out there, but not quite as bad. And today as well, temperatures have been on the mild side. So when we look at the average for this time of year, we'd expect highs of 13 degrees. But today, we've had 17 degrees almost in Jersey and around 16 degrees in Jersey. So it has been milder. And actually, tonight, it's not forecast to be too cool either. We are expecting minimums tonight of 13 degrees. So actually closer to what we'd expect the daytime maximum to be. So a little bit showery, but at least not too cold.
Amazing.
And Lily, what's been the reason for that slightly milder weather?
Well, Alex, all to do with the winds. They're coming from a southerly direction, and we can see that on this air mass chart here. So the wind arrows following, and that means that as we head through the week, that milder air is being driven towards us, and that is why our temperatures are just that little bit milder, a few degrees above the average.
Yeah, sunny at the moment, but it's not been the case in the UK for the last month, though, has it?
No, the stats are in for the UK conditions last month, and it was on the cloudy side, the dullest October in almost 60 years, only around 2 hours a day of sunshine, which is only 41% of the average, and hopefully we'll be getting our Channel Island figures soon, but let's get all the weather details now. Well, it has been bright but breezy today, and temperatures on the mild side for this time in November. We had a few showers around earlier as well. The ducks don't seem to mind. And then we did have a good deal of dry weather throughout the day. So we head into tomorrow. It's going to be even windier, actually, especially as we head into the evening. There could be gusts of around 40 miles an hour. Less in the way of sunshine tomorrow. Quite a cloudy and a grey day overall. And we could have some wet weather too. Now, the reason for that is we're in between an area of low and high pressure. That's feeding this weather front towards us here. It may well be a little bit to the west of us. It may skirt us at times, but likely some of that rain will make its way over to us as we head to tomorrow. Back to tonight, just the odd shower around and some clear periods here and there, but it is going to be mostly a cloudy and overcast night. Winds fresh coming from a southerly direction and quite mild with minimum temperatures of 13 degrees. So we head into tomorrow, cloudy and grey from the outset, not much in the way of sunshine or brightness. And there's that wet weather, perhaps more likely in Guernsey and Alderney, but any of us could have some rain at any point tomorrow as that front passes through. As I mentioned, getting blustery, especially into the evening, where the winds could reach a strong force 6 and temperatures hovering there in the mid-teens tomorrow. Let's get a check on our times of high water now, between about 5 and 6 in the morning, later on between 5:30 and 6:30. And it is a big tide, so do be mindful when you are at the coast. There could be some waves spilling over, especially tomorrow evening. So taking a look at the week as a whole, a bit of a mixed bag, still breezy at times, cloudy with bright spells and some wet weather too.